morning, everybody. We are actually on the beach. I got my little brothers here, little guys. We don't happen to fit inside my jackets because my jackets are too small. But we're on the beach instead of going out for trout. We're back from the upstate fishing, and now we are here going for some stripers. It was cool to catch some trout, or at least one trout, and then I had that one time when I got a big hit on the trout and I didn't get him. But I got my boys here. I got my dad, Brian, Joe, I think Jason's coming, and Johnny and Charlie, and hopefully we catch some fish. Day after Thanksgiving, so everyone's here. Let's go.
Hold me tight. Could you hold me tight? Could you hold me tight? Don't turn on the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.
Ready?
Right in front of your father?
Yeah. Right, but it's all shallow there.
It's going crazy right in front of him. And then you got that whole white rip right there. I guess there's like a cut or something in the bar.
Probably.
And when the waves are coming in, it's just funneling out. So that's where the fish are going to come into the trough and get out of the trough. So we're going to go over there. So there's the box.
Working behind us, just out of casting range, a couple miles down the beach. We got wind coming from the southwest, so I don't know if they're going to travel west where we are, but we'll see. We're going to be here for a couple hours. Rain started about 2 hours earlier than it's supposed to, so I don't know how that's going to affect how they want to continue fishing, but birds woke up. The birds that aren't working the bait out on the water are traveling west, so I don't know if the bait's going to do the same, but we got bucktails, diamond jigs, SPs, darters, everything. So if something happens, we can catch fish. It's just a matter of if they come down, because it doesn't seem like there's anything out here. Give it a shot again. Those birds are right there, just past the bar. All over. And they're all over there too. Windy, rainy, lenses covered in water. Good stuff. So, how was that experience?
That was pretty awesome. Didn't catch any fish, but the amount of birds, I've never seen anything like that. It's like where they all come from. It was miles and miles of birds, as thick as... I felt like I was watching the, what was that?
Nat Geo?
Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. It was amazing. I've never seen anything like that before.
Huh.
Cool.
Hybrid. See the rip all the way out there? Yeah.
Or baby dogs.
is.
Oh no, they're all over.
Yeah, but look, they're all going in.
Look at these little prints.
Good morning, everybody. It is bright and early. I'm out here with Chuck. We came out here, tried to get some stripers for his last day here on Long Island. Johnny's not here, my dad's not here, so it's just us two. Hopefully we get something. It's a little bit calmer, winds out of the northwest as opposed to the southwest. And as of right now, it's not blowing as hard as yesterday, but it's a nice crispy day. And hopefully there's something on the beach. There's a bunch of guys all over this field, so who knows, there's some people walking off right at sunrise and it was like a little confusing, but maybe they had to be somewhere. So hopefully there's fish coming in like yesterday with the birds and they get closer. Let's hope for that. But with that being said, I'm gonna go bundle up and we're gonna head on out to the beach and hopefully catch some fish. Let's go. Look at the size of that shad. I didn't know shad got this big. This is a huge shad. Like, what? He fought pretty good too. Mwah. So we've probably been here an hour and all I had was that giant shad, and Charlie's had a couple hits. We're thinking our shad too, but birds aren't working. There's really nothing that we can see visually on the water that says, hey, cast here, there's gonna be fish. It's just kind of just flat here. We got a northwest wind, so the dunes are protecting the wind. Waves are staying down a little bit, coming over, but it's pretty good. Temperature's not that bad. Incoming tide. We're probably gonna stay here until high, and then the turn of the tide, we'll see what happens. But I don't know, man. I hope something comes through though.
Finally.
Little tiny striper on a 2-ounce Hopkins, just casting it out, twitching it like a bucktail. We managed to get a little tiny striper. Mwah, a sandy boy.
See you later, buddy.